Did you know about the healing wonders of coconut oil? In our modern world, coconut oil is often overlooked, hidden in the shadows of more hyped-up health trends. Yet, this humble plant-based oil is a veritable superfood, brimming with nutritional goodness. For centuries, our ancestors have revered coconut oil, using it not just in their kitchens, but also as a health supplement and a natural remedy. The healing properties of this oil have been passed down through generations, a testament to its enduring value. From the tropical coastlines where it's harvested to the bustling city markets where it's sold, coconut oil has remained a constant, a silent guardian of health and wellness. But what makes coconut oil stand out among the kaleidoscope of other health foods? What's the secret behind this unassuming fruit's superfood status? Well, get ready to unravel the mystery of this hidden gem. So, what makes coconut oil a superfood? Let's dive in. Coconut oil is indeed a nutritional powerhouse. This humble oil, extracted from the meat of mature coconuts, is packed with an array of nutrients that can do wonders for your health. You might be wondering, what makes coconut oil so special? Well, let's delve into its nutritional profile and find out. Firstly, coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. Unlike other fats, these MCTs are healthier and are metabolized differently by our body. So instead of being stored as fat, they are quickly converted into energy. And as a bonus, they also aid in burning fat. Yes, you heard it right. The fat in coconut oil can actually help you lose fat. It's quite the paradox, isn't it? Next up on the list is lauric acid. Coconut oil is the most abundant natural source of this miraculous compound. Lauric acid is known for its antimicrobial properties, meaning it can fight against harmful microorganisms. Whether it's bacteria, viruses, or fungi, lauric acid can be your body's knight in shining armor, warding off these unwanted invaders. But the nutritional prowess of coconut oil doesn't stop there. It also contains vitamins and minerals that are essential for our overall health. For instance, it's a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. Plus, it's got a fair amount of iron, which our body needs to make the hemoglobin in our red blood cells. Moreover, coconut oil is packed with phenolic compounds, which are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two major culprits behind many chronic diseases. So there you have it. Coconut oil is not just an oil, but a treasure trove of nutrients. From MCTs to lauric acid, to vitamins and minerals, and even phenolic compounds, it's got it all. It's no wonder that our ancestors revered this oil and incorporated it into their diets. But that's not all. Coconut oil has more to offer. Beyond nutrition, coconut oil boasts numerous health benefits. This seemingly ordinary oil, which has been a staple in many cultures for generations, is now being recognized worldwide for its extraordinary properties. Let's delve into some of these benefits, shall we? First up, weight loss. Yes, you heard that right. Coconut oil has medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, that are known to increase the body's metabolic rate, thereby aiding in weight loss. Next, coconut oil can be a game-changer for your skin and hair. Its moisturizing properties make it a natural choice for a skin moisturizer, while its ability to penetrate hair follicles helps in strengthening your locks. But that's not all. Coconut oil is also being studied for its potential to boost brain function. Its MCTs are converted into ketones by the liver. Now, these ketones are a source of energy for the brain and may help in enhancing cognitive abilities. Traditionally, coconut oil has been used in medicine for a myriad of health issues, from healing wounds to improving digestion. Today, scientific research is backing these claims, bringing to light the true potential of this humble oil. Clearly, coconut oil is more than just oil. It's a wellness powerhouse, a beauty enhancer, and a brain booster. Its healing wonders are simply too numerous to ignore. So the next time you think of oil, think coconut oil. Because with coconut oil, you're not just cooking, you're nurturing your body, inside and out. The healing wonders of coconut oil are truly impressive. Packed with essential nutrients, it's a true powerhouse. From its ancient uses to its modern-day health benefits, coconut oil continues to amaze us. It nourishes, heals, and protects, offering a multitude of benefits. It's more than just an oil, it's a superfood. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to boost your health, coconut oil is the way to go. If you found this video useful, subscribe to the channel and check out the next video in our Healing Wonders series.